Marshall, you got stick set up?
No, I was taking the tunnel, still westbound. 75.
PC time now, second, I'll call it. Who's that in front of me?
224 is in front of you.
224 is primary, I'll call it. I'll authorize 4 in this pursuit. 65 on 4. 63 now.
Oh my god.
We're westbound Spring Valley, speeds around 90. Let Dallas know if we can get some help with the sticks. We're still westbound, correction, we are now southbound Esperanza. Southbound Esperanza, school's on, no foot traffic, traffic.
Shots fired! Shots fired! I'm taking rounds.
I'll get a couple more in there. I think anybody can get with us. We have shots fired, dope. Shots fired, dope. Do we have DPS coming?
They're notified.
Hey, shots fired. It's turning into. It's on the grass. My car's disabled. I have fire rifle rounds.
Go south. He's in the grass. 5-10 miles an hour. Be ready.
For looks like it's gonna be westbound 635.
Hey. They're doing CPR now.